we've got us a video doorbell here we're going to install. Let's open it up. There's the doorbell. There's the back of it. We'll attach this to the wall. Downloading the app. I've got the app downloaded. Select video doorbell. Push and hold for 8 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the camera is working. Yeah, right here on the back is where the SD card goes. And all right, the base plate is installed. All right, well that's it. That's all there is to setting one of these up. Appreciate you. We'll catch you on the next one.